Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Adjustments and final accounts compilation. Example: the trial balance of Mr. Y shows the following figures. Debit balances: opening stock 10,000, land and buildings 35,000, machinery 50,000, furniture and fixture 5,000, purchases 1,02,850, salaries 11,000, general expenses 2,500, rent 3,000, postage and telegram 1,500, stationery 2,000, wages 26,000, freight on purchases 2,800, carriage on sales 3,000, repairs 4,000, sundry debtors 30,000, bad debts 1,000, cash in hand 250, cash at bank 5,000, sales return 5,100. So the total of debit side of trial balance is 3 lakh. The credit side of trial balance reveals capital 50,000, loan from Mr. Amit at 9% per annum 30,000, sundry debtors 9,600, purchase returns 2,000, miscellaneous receipts 2,000, sales is 2,06,400. So the total of credit side of trial balance is 3 lakh. Now adjustment entries to be made. Wages for December 2000 is 1,000 is not yet been paid. General expenses include insurance premium rupees 600 paid for the year ending March 2017, that is next year. Provision for doubtful debts at the rate 5% on debtors. Depreciation land and buildings 5%, machinery 10%, furniture and fixture is 15%. Loan taken from Mr. Amit was taken on 1st July 2010. Interest has not yet been paid. Closing stock as on 31st March 2016 is 15,000. From the above figure, we first compile the trading account for the year ended 31st December 2016. The credit side is sales 2,08,550 and sales return is 5,100. So the net amount sales is 2,03,450 and the closing stock is 15,000. So in the debit side we get opening stock was 10,000, purchases is 1,05,000 minus return 2,000, wages is 26,000 plus outstanding is 1,000, so that comes to 27,000. Freight on purchases is 2,800. So the difference between credit and debit, the gross profit is 75,650 is carried to profit and loss account. Now we compile the profit and loss account for the year ended December 2016. So in the credit side is gross profit brought forth from trading account is 75,650 and miscellaneous receipts is 2,000. In the debit side is salary 11,000, general expenses 2,500 minus prepaid expenses, the 600 for whole year, so 3 months from January to March, 150 is paid in advance, that is reduced from the insurance expenses, so general expenses, so that comes to 2,350. Rent is 3,000, postage and telegram 1,500, stationery is 2,000, carriage on sales is 3,000, repairs 4,000, bad debts 1,000, provision for doubtful debts is 1,500, depreciation land and building is 1,715, depreciation on machinery is 5,000 and depreciation on furniture is 750. So the total depreciation is 7,500. Interest is 9% on 30,000 for 6 months because the amount is taken in the middle of the year. So on 1st July 2016, so interest at 9% on 30,000 for 6 months is 1,350. Net profit is, so net profit difference between the credit and debit side is 39,450, which is carried to the capital account. Balance sheet. Now we compile the balance sheet from the above figures. So in the liability side is capital account 50,000 plus profit transferred from profit and loss account is 39,450. So the total capital account comes to 89,450. The loan is 30,000 plus interest payable is 1,350 for 6 months. So the loan outstanding is 31,350. Wages outstanding is 1,000 and syndicators is 9,600. Land and asset is land and building is 35,000 minus depreciation on land and building is 1,750. So the WDV is 33,250. Machinery is 50,000 minus 10% depreciation at 10%, that is 5,000. So the WDV is 45,000. Furniture 5,000 minus depreciation at 15% is 750. So the WDV is 4,250. Sundry debtors is 30,000 minus provision for doubtful debts is 1,500. So the net is 28,500. Cash in hand is 250. Cash at bank is 5,000. Prepaid insurance is 150. Closing stock is 15,000. So the total of debit and credit in the balance sheet is 1,31,400. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.